If you have a family, there is a quiet question most people avoid. If something happened to you, would your family be financially okay? This is not about being wealthy, it is about stability. Would the mortgage still be paid? Would there still be enough income for food, bills, childcare, and school? Would your partner have to make big money decisions under stress? For many households, the risk is simple. The plan is not joined up. Income often depends on one main earner. Business owners may rely on dividends or contracts that are not guaranteed. Monthly costs do not pause if life changes. Here are common gaps we see, even in successful families. Cover that does not match real monthly needs or the mortgage term. Too much reliance on savings that may not last long. Protection that sits separately from wills, estate planning, and business continuity. For business owners, extra exposure from personal guarantees or key person dependency. What does good look like? You get clear on what must be protected, like income, the home, and dependence plans. You choose which events you are planning for, like death, serious illness, or being unable to work. You make sure everything fits together, so there is less confusion later. Butterfly supports this by helping you map the needs, spot gaps calmly, and coordinate the right specialist support where regulated advice is required. We do not sell insurance products. This is general information, not financial advice. Hope that helps.